Let's pick up where we left off in EDL 660A. You may recall that you hosted colleagues from our cohort and began by presenting your school's data, highlighting trends that revealed important equity considerations. Then you facilitated classroom visits, and based on the evidence gathered from the observations, the group gained a deeper understanding of the problem of practice. Now, in this next phase of our learning, we move from problem identification to problem solving. The focus shifts to what we call the CIC, the Common Instructional Challenge. The CIC is grounded in the evidence collected during your learning walk. It reflects a shared area of instructional need that affects student learning across classrooms. And this is where your leadership comes in. Instructional leadership isn't just about knowing what the challenges are, it's about guiding others towards solutions. Your task is to design and implement a professional development or learning session that addresses this common instructional challenge directly, one that can have a meaningful and measurable impact on teaching and learning in your school. I want to pause here to make an important distinction. This PD clinical experience is not part of the Cal APA Cycle 2's community of practice. While you might notice overlapping themes, perhaps around collaboration, instructional improvement, and equity, the PD you designed for this project stands on its own. As you plan, I invite you to think deeply about this question. How can you design professional learning that has the greatest potential for impact on your common instructional challenge? To answer that, consider not only the content of your PD, what you'll teach or model, but also the process. How will you engage teachers in reflection, collaboration, and active learning? How will you ensure that the experience feels relevant and practical? And most importantly, how will you use feedback as a tool for growth? Effective instructional leaders recognize that feedback is one of the most powerful levers for improvement. When done well, it invites teachers to reflect, to experiment, and to grow. So as we move forward in EDL 660, remember, you've already done the hard work of identifying what matters most. Now, your challenge and your opportunity is to lead learning that makes a difference. Design your session with intention, lead with empathy, and use feedback as your compass. That's what effective instructional leadership looks and sounds like.